Hi, I'm Chris Hasson, and we're at 16 Ocean Beach Road, Shoal Bay, at what is, I think, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to purchase in Shoal Bay these features and benefits. 1,400 square metres of land in a peacefully quiet cul-de-sac, national park behind, and 5-star living. It doesn't get any better. Let's have a look. Cocooned by National Park on an absolutely massive 1,400 square metres of land in a peacefully quiet cul-de-sac in Shoal Bay is your dream home. A very rare offering with only a short level walk to the beach, your new lifestyle investment may never be available in Shoal Bay again. On entry, the large cedar and glass doors invite you into a spacious entry with flowing hardwood floors, effortlessly leading you into 3 very large bedrooms. One with its own ensuite and a therapeutic outlook overlooking the stunning in-ground pool. Framed by the floor-to-ceiling glass and cedar doors, this is a stunning outlook for guests or family. There is a kitchenette downstairs providing those who would love to run a B&B or their own home business a 5-star platform. Upstairs you're greeted with high ceilings and large open plan living, fusing with indoor and outdoor lifestyle. The large floor-to-ceiling glass bifold doors with cedar frames provide you with a perfect entertaining lifestyle with a large covered alfresco area and stunning north-facing leafy outlook. Your kitchen is cleverly designed with a relaxing outlook and connects cooking with entertaining. The gas cooktop and large oven will satisfy the most avid chef. The main bedroom overlooking the large garden setting with its own balcony is stately in feel and would be out of place in a 5-star luxury hotel. Your back garden with National Park behind and side access is privately situated at the rear of the property with a large shed and a 1-bedroom separate accommodation. Well, every home tells a story and you can't help leaving this home feeling inspired. If you want inspection to really get a good feel for this amazing opportunity, give me a call, 040-234-8080. You can go to my website and email me there at chrishasson.com.au.